Mint Mobile offers prepaid 3-month plans where you pay up front for a defined service period. This differs from postpaid plans, as shown in the comparison table. Cancellations are generally non-refundable. You can cancel anytime after activation, but you won't receive money back for unused service. Unlike postpaid plans, there are no cancellation fees, but also no prorated refunds. A key exception is the trial period, 7 to 14 days for select plans, during which you can get a full refund if you cancel due to coverage or device issues. Mint Mobile's policy reflects its prepaid model, emphasizing upfront payment for a defined service period. This helps keep prices lower, but flexibility is sacrificed. To cancel your 3-month Mint Mobile plan, log into your account via the website or app. Navigate to Account or Plan Management, select Cancel Service, and follow the prompts to confirm. You retain service until the paid period ends. Alternatively, call 1-800-683-7392. Keep an eye on trends. Mint Mobile enhances digital tools like AI chatbots for easier cancellations. Regulatory pushes may lead to expanded trial periods. Some experts foresee AI-driven refund assessments for special cases in the future. As Mint Mobile's parent company T-Mobile has faced scrutiny over billing, expect Mint to continue improving transparency. Digital-first cancellation is trending, with most cancellations now occurring via self-service tools, reducing disputes.